Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, excuse me. Is this seat taken?
Hi, no, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you. I'm Ivy. I come here almost every weekend to relax and enjoy a good cup of coffee.
Nice to meet you, Ivy. I'm Sam. I'm new in town, and I'm exploring different cafes. This place is very cozy.
Yes, I really like this cafe. They have a nice atmosphere and great music playing softly in the background. What brings you here today, Sam?
I had a busy morning at work, so I needed a break. I heard good things about this cafe and decided to try it out. I love a good cup of coffee when I need to relax.
I know what you mean. After a busy day, there is nothing better than a warm drink. Have you decided what you want to order?
Not yet. I usually like to try something new. Do you have a favorite drink here?
Yes, I often order their caramel latte. It has a nice balance of sweet and bitter, and it always cheers me up.
That sounds delicious. I might try that. I usually get an espresso, but today I feel like trying something different.
Great choice. The barista here is very friendly. I think you should ask for a caramel latte if you want to try something new.
I will. Hi, can I have one caramel latte, please?
Sure, one caramel latte coming right up. Would you like any extra foam?
Yes, please. A little extra foam would be nice.
All right. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
So, Sam, what do you do in town? Are you working or studying?
I work as an IT support specialist at a local company. My job can be challenging sometimes, but I enjoy it because I like solving problems. How about you, Ivy?
I'm a graphic designer at a small advertising agency. I love my job because I get to be creative every day and work on different projects.
That sounds interesting. I always admire people who can create art and design. Do you like working with a team?
Yes, I do. I enjoy collaborating with my colleagues, sharing ideas, and learning from each other. It makes the work more fun and less stressful.
I can imagine. In my job, I often work with a team too. We solve technical problems together, and sometimes we even have a little friendly competition to see who can fix an issue the fastest.
That sounds fun. It's great to have a team that supports you. Do you have any favorite projects from work?
There was one project where I helped set up a new computer system for our office. It was difficult at first, but seeing it work perfectly at the end was very rewarding.
That must have been very satisfying. I had a similar experience when I designed a poster for a big campaign. I was nervous at first, but when my work was praised, I felt so proud.
I'm glad you shared that, Ivy. It's important to celebrate our small wins.
Yes, indeed. Speaking of small wins, I also try to keep a little journal of my daily thoughts and experiences. It helps me stay positive. Do you have any hobbies that help you relax?
I do. I like to read mystery novels and sometimes play the guitar in my free time. Reading helps me escape into another world, and playing guitar relaxes me after a long day.
That's wonderful. I love reading too, especially books about travel and art. They inspire me and give me new ideas for my designs.
Do you travel often, Ivy?
I try to. I went to the coast last summer and it was amazing. The ocean, the sunsets, and the local food were unforgettable. I would love to travel more and see different parts of the world.
I feel the same. I hope to visit Europe one day and explore its art and history.
That would be an exciting adventure. Traveling often gives us new perspectives and inspires our work.
Absolutely. I believe that even small trips can change how we see the world. Sometimes I take a day trip to a nearby town and explore the local cafes and shops.
I do that as well. Exploring new places, even in the same city, makes life interesting. It's like finding hidden treasures right in your own backyard.
Exactly. By the way, did you notice the new painting on the wall in the cafe?
Yes, I did. I love that piece. It shows a beautiful landscape with warm colors. It really adds to the cozy feel of the place.
I agree. Art in public spaces makes the environment more pleasant and inspires conversations like this.
Speaking of conversations, I enjoy talking with strangers sometimes. It's a nice way to learn about different perspectives.
That's true. I like to ask people about their favorite spots in the city or any good recommendations. For example, I recently asked a regular customer about the best bookshop, and I discovered a small, charming store.
I love discovering hidden gems. I recently found a little bakery that makes the best croissants.
That sounds delicious. I must visit that bakery next time.
Yes, definitely. I enjoy exploring the city while enjoying good food and art.
Hey, my caramel latte is ready. It looks and smells amazing.
Great. I'm glad you tried something new. I think it's a good change from the regular espresso.
I agree. I'm excited to taste it. How about you, Ivy? What are you ordering?
I've ordered a vanilla latte. I like the soft, sweet taste of vanilla, and it goes well with a quiet afternoon of reading.
Vanilla latte sounds perfect for a relaxed day.
Yes, and the cafe has a great selection of pastries too. I might try one later.
I sometimes get a muffin with my latte. It is a nice treat.
Maybe next time we can share a pastry. I'd love to try different flavors.
That would be fun. It's nice to share these small moments.
I agree. Conversations like this make me appreciate simple pleasures in life, like a good coffee and a friendly chat.
Exactly. I believe that meeting new people and sharing our stories makes our day much brighter.
Thank you for this lovely conversation, Sam. I'm really enjoying our talk and learning about your experiences.
Thank you, Ivy. I enjoyed our chat too. I feel more connected and happy knowing there are friendly people around.
Let's exchange contacts. It would be great to meet again or even share recommendations for new cafes or events.
Sure, I'd love that. Here is my phone number, and you can text me anytime.
Perfect. I'll save it and send you a message later.
I look forward to it, Ivy. Enjoy your vanilla latte and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Sam. You too. Have a great day and see you next time.
Goodbye, Ivy.
Goodbye, Sam.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.